Yung fried chicken lover ka pero gusto mo yung walang buto and different kind of flavor? This video is perfect for you. Hola darling! This is your sign para lumabas ng bahay at mag-crave properly. And it's your time to try Bakbak Boneless Fried Chicken. They are located at Tikay Malolos, Bulacan. Alam nyo ba ang second branch na nila to? Yes, you heard it right. This is the second branch na. Madali nyo lang matatagpuan dahil beside Pasalubong Center lang. One thing I really love with Bakbak, their chicken cook right on the spot. As in, pag umorder ka, tsaka lang siya lulutuin. So, sure na fresh, mainit at siguradong crispy pag serve sa'yo. Hindi siya yung naka-display lang ha. Talagang made to order. And yeah, this beautiful lady will serve you. Joke lang! Marami nga kayong pagpipilian sa flavors nila. Meron silang Jack Daniels, smoked barbecue, soy garlic, and Deryang nyo. And isa nga sa nagustuhan ko dito is yung garlic parmesan nila. Best partner nga dito yung kimchi nila. Kaya hindi lang to basta fried chicken. Kasi naman nakakaloka yung mga lasa ng mga flavors nila. Isa nga sa mabenta sa kanila ang K-pop bowl nila. Kasi naman sa halagang 60 pesos, meron ka ng makakain. And yung mga flavors, hindi lang basta sinabing flavors ha. Dahil bawat flavor may sariling personality. Oh, gusto mo yun? May sweet if you like that saucy goodness. May spicy for those na gusto ng konting kick. Kaya naman darling, I promise you, mahihirapan ka rin pumili like me. But darling, you should try their salted egg. Ay, grabe. Maloloka ka, promise. So, what are you waiting for, darling? Wag nang magpahuli. Try Bakbak Boneless Fried Chicken right now. That's it. Adios.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Wow. How yummy is that? Very, very yummy.
Yeah.